welcome back to my channel. So today is gonna be a different kind of video. So I did a butt length braided ponytail on my hair. My hair is laid down. So you know, if you want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching, but don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And let's get on to this ponytail. Okay, so the products that you would need is your Eco Styler gel, your got to be glue, a mousse of your choice. I'm using the olive oil mousse, and some rods for the ends of the braid. And for my tools, I have a bristle brush, a fine teeth comb, a soft brush, and my edge brush, a 3-in-1 edge brush, and of course a white teeth comb. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to be adding some gel, which is going to be the Eco Styler gel and the got to be glue, and some conditioner to my hair, and I'm going to slick this hair down. Taking some conditioner, this much. So I'm just going to loosely catch up my hair at the back, get it in place for where I want the braid, and I'm going to start sticking down my hair. So I'm going in with the Eco Styler gel, and I'm taking this much. I'm going to slick down in here. So I'm going in with my soft brush first. Using my bristle brush. There we go. So now I'm going to go in with my got to be glue. Now this is going to hold my hair down for the gods, guys. Now I'm going to be adding some to the back, because the back of your hair got to be slicked down too, guys. So for me, I normally catch up my hair into sections. So I'm going to divide the hair into two. Catch up the back first and then combine the front. So I'm just going to put this away loosely with a hair clip, and I'm going to catch up the back. Adding some more Eco Styler gel, taking my bristle brush. You want to make sure this hair is laid down, guys. So I'm taking a scrunchie and I'm going to allow this side, that side to dry. Okay, let me show you the back. Okay guys, so I'm going to be doing the front section now. So I'm taking my bristle brush. I'm going to slick this back. And then I'm taking another scrunchie and I'm going to combine it with the back. There you go. So I'm going to be adding some more got to be glue, just to make sure the front is slick down. I'm going to allow this to dry. I'm going to tie it down and allow it to dry before I start on the braid. And yeah, I'm excited for this braid, guys. Okay guys, so I put this little head tie on my hair to allow it to dry and set while I'm going to be starting on the braid. So I'm using Xpression. Now I'm just going to take this off and I'm going to have to detangle the hair. So it comes with a black elastic, so I would advise you to put it down. And I am going to separate the hair. So you're going to be using one pack of hair. So I'm going to detangle this hair and separate it and then come back to you guys. What I'm doing right now is to just get rid of the blunt cut. So I'm taking my brush and I'm just brushing down the hair. So this get rid of the blunt cut because you want your braid to be looking natural. So that's exactly what I am doing. So if you see, it's almost there. Okay, so I divided my one pack of Xpression hair into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. So I'm going to show you. I have the 6 piece in my lap right here. So I'm going to be doing the feed in method. The ends are getting so natty, look. Okay, so as you can see, my hair over this side is getting short, so I'm going to be grabbing some more hair. now is just to add some mousse to the braid. I'm going to be hot watering the braid, especially the ends with a rod, so I'm going to check back in when I'm doing that process. Okay guys, so my braid is done and I did add the rods at the ends, so I'm going to show you the big reveal with the front of my hair. So let me take it out. There we go. So I'm just going to do the edges right now. So I'm taking more of the Got To Be glue, put it mostly to like the areas that you find hair coming out, and I'm going to do my edges. Guys, I am so in love with this. So let me just do my edges, and this is it for the braid. Like, my feels so, like, you know, I feel like I really body with this hairstyle. I feel cute. So I'm gonna just do the edges them now. I'm gonna just like, yo, man, that is so cute. Okay guys, so we've come to the end of this video, and I thank you guys for watching to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click down in the description box below and watch some of my recent videos. And I just want to say thank you guys for supporting my videos. Please continue watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!